What's going on, YouTube? My goal today is to change this lock into a smart lock. Now, this is a lock for my garage. So this is where I train. It's my garage gym. But one of the issues that I have with this lock is that, for one, it's so close to this thing right here. It's really hard for me to grip it and turn it. That's why I put this tape, that way I could have a little more grip. And another thing is, lately I'll press the combination, and for some reason it just keeps getting stuck. It wouldn't work. So for the longest, I've been trying to get it fixed. Recently, my girlfriend even got stuck in this garage gym. So today, what I've done is I've bought a few smart locks from Amazon, and I'm gonna be trying them out and showing you guys what I recommend. All these smart locks are gonna be linked down below if you guys are looking for any of them. This is one of the smart locks. Oh, and every single one of these locks has fingerprint, because I wanted to make getting in and out as easy as possible. Like, the easier the better. So I'm gonna install all three of these, try them out, and then get back to you guys. So here's the finished product. I chose this one specifically for two reasons. One, because it's actually shorter, so it doesn't get in the way of this right here, which is the handle that I used to pull on the door. And two, I like the finish. So this is how the lock works. You pretty much put in combination. You can use one of those things to tap on it, and opponents you can unlock with your phone, or you can just use fingerprint, which is very simple. And the beautiful thing about this one is, as soon as you close the door, it automatically locks. You don't have to try and remember to lock it. One of the biggest problems with people getting break-ins isn't that people are actually breaking in through their locks. It's like people forget to lock their doors. So with this one, it automatically locks. There is nothing else you have to do. And when you want to go out, you just unlock it. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is the one that I recommend. But like I said, there's gonna be the other ones in the description. If you guys want to pick one up, go ahead and check it out. I like the finish on this one. Beautiful.